Hello, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live. Again, my name is Matt, and today we talked about pressure, specifically air pressure. And you watched me get denied by the air's resistance to change when I tried to put a packing peanut into a pop bottle. It didn't work. And we figured out it didn't work because air takes up space, it flows, and it has pressure. So, I also asked you guys, could you help me figure out how to get my balloon out of my jar here without damaging the balloon or the jar? So I'm curious to see what you guys figured out might be the most efficient way. I figured that it would be lasers. April Fools. So it's not quite lasers as much as I wish it was, but I think there might be more than one way to do this. But I do know that air takes up space and it flows. So using that information, I know that the pressure inside this jar has tension, and that's why the balloon has just stayed inflated. So if I just disturb the tension that's being created by the rim of the jar and the suction that is the balloon, I think I could free the balloon without damaging it. So if I just gently move my thumb here up the edge, I think I could free the balloon. Now, that doesn't seem like the most efficient way possible, because now my balloon is in the jar and it's free and the jar's fine, the balloon's fine, but now to get it out, I got to get all the ashes from our combustion onto the table. So, is there a more efficient way that you could do this? And if so, will you please share it with me using our hashtag StayCuriousCLE, because I want to see what you guys have to come up with. And I also want to send a special shout out to my awesome friends Dylan for his awesome feedback, the Kogers, Nathan and Leo, Ari, and the Schoolhouse Boys. Thank you all for watching. And don't forget, tomorrow at 10:30, I'm going to turn you over to my awesome friend Jared, who's going to tell you all about pressure and all about bridges. And I hope you guys have a great time learning about that, because I do. And don't forget, as always, stay curious.